Hello, fearless learners. Today we are at the optician, which means we're going to be learning sentences, phrases, vocabulary related to when you are going to the optician and you want to be able to communicate in a fantastic, confident way. So, first thing I've written on the board is: do you offer free eye tests? Do you offer free eye tests? Now, the reason you'd ask this question is because sometimes certain people can get free eye tests. If you are over a certain age, if you're not working, children get free eye tests. If you are on benefits, which means if the government is helping you um, pay bills or they're helping you financially a little bit, then you are eligible for a free eye test. So ask away, ask this question. So the next one is I'd or I would. I would like an eye test, please. Or I'd like an eye test, please. Now, I would suggest that you use the full way, like so you'd say, I would like an eye test, please. I honestly think that if you want to become a better communicator, it is better that you use your words. You use the words as it is. And I'm trying my best not to say things like I'm gonna, I would have. I'm not. I'm trying to avoid contractions because I think you communicate better when you use the words in full. Now, that's my opinion. Remember, you can use both. And that's why I'm showing you both on the screen right now. So, you can say I'd, many people do, or you can say I would. The choice is yours. So, the next one is I would like an eye test, please. So, you're just asking for an eye test, very simple. And at this point, they're probably going to give you a form or sit you down and ask you a bunch of questions. The next thing is you could say, like, they could ask you when you're sitting down, why do you want an eye test? So lots of people say, oh, maybe I have a headache. They tell the doctor the symptoms. Now, the symptoms can be different things, like they could say things like, I can't see very well, or my child can't see the board in school. So she has to sit right in front of the teacher. So they could be lots of reasons why you want to have an eye test, but one of the reasons I've written here is my eyesight is getting worse. 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 All right. So let's say you had an eye test and something's just wrong with your glasses. You could say, I need a new pair of glasses. I need a new pair of glasses, or I need a pair of reading glasses. The next thing is, how much are these designer frames? How much are these designer frames? So designer, like meaning it could be like a name that's well known, like Dior or Gucci. I usually don't go for designer frames because they cost an arm and a leg. They cost way too much. They break the bank for me. So I'd rather spend money on an affordable pair of glasses. So you could ask the person in the store to show you the designer frames or the most affordable glasses frames in the store. So there you go. I hope that was useful. Now I have a question for you. Do you wear glasses? Let me know in the chat. I recently bought some glasses and I thought this would be a great lesson for you guys to learn. I hope you found it useful. If you like this lesson, please share it with your friends and remember to subscribe for more lessons like this. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.